Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to set password in AnyDesk. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to www.anydesk.com and download the official application. This is a free license for non-professional use. You can start your license or buy a free trial on the website or click on the application in the top here. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So we have the news, favorites, recent sessions, discovered, annotations, and in the top right corner we have settings, set password, address book, and a lot of different things. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and set password in AnyDesk. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps that I will be showing you to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, what you need to do is click on the top right corner. So underneath the X button, don't click on the X button, you will exit the whole application, but click on these four dots here. Here you have the settings, set password, address book, session recordings, change license key, help, about AnyDesk, and again the exit, where you will exit this session here. You will exit the whole application as I did it just now. So when you did that guys, you just need to, just a second, I need to go and get AnyDesk running. So now you just need to go and click on set password. When you click set password, you can set it, confirm it, permission profile, apply it, and you will have your own password. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.